Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Telegram and Todoist. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new message in Telegram, we want to add a task in Todoist. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Telegram is a messaging software, whereas Todoist helps you to manage your to-do lists. So the issue here is that Telegram and Todoist don't have any integration between them. And that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to transfer data from Telegram to Todoist. The best part here is that you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here we are at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I'm going to go to this product section over here, and here you can see connect. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in from here. Now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here I'd like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'm going to go and scroll down, and here you can see connect. I'm going to select access now. Okay, so now we are going to create a new workflow here. So I'm going to click on create workflow from here. Let us name it as Telegram to Todoist. Okay. So you can see this trigger dialog box over here. So when this happens, we have to choose an app over here. You can add the action steps by clicking on this plus button from here. So here we are going to connect Telegram to Todoist using Pabbly Connect. First, we are going to integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Todoist with Pabbly Connect. So first I am going to choose Telegram over here. Okay. And in choose method, set webhook or watch updates. If you want any other method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now here you can see connect with Telegram bot. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, credentials, you don't have to worry. Here you can see token. So what is token? Token is a kind of a credential which helps you to build a connection between two software applications. So here this token is going to help us to build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here in the instruction it is said that you have to go to your Telegram and then you have to message bot father this /new bot, and then what you have to do is you have to select a name and username of your new bot. So let's go to Telegram. Okay, now let us search for bot father. Okay, here this one. So I'm going to click on it and let us start it. So as soon as we clicked on start, you can see it has sent us some messages. So here now what you have to do is we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and read the instructions further. It says now you have to type /new bot to the message box. So now let us type /new bot. Okay. So you can see it is asking us for a name of the bot. So now let us name it. So I'm going to name it as Todoist. Okay, so now it wants us to choose a username as well. Okay, so you have to remember that you have to enter this bot in the end to make your username as a valid one. So I'm going to send it. Okay, so it has accepted this username integration pabbly_bot. So now you can see done. Congratulations on your new bot. So here you can find our new bot. So I'm going to click on it. And here I'm going to start so that I can get it here. Okay, so you can see we have got a new bot in our conversation. So I'll go back to bot father. So here you can see we have got our token. So I'm going to copy this from here. And I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so we have pasted this token over here. Now what will happen, as soon as we click on save, we'll build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect using this token. So here token is going to help us to connect Pabbly Connect and Telegram. So I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now you can see this webhook URL over here. So in some cases what happens is once you choose the app and the method over here, after that you have to copy this webhook URL from here and you have to go and paste it inside the Trigger software application. But here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection with the token. So now when you click on save and send test request, what happens is the webhook is created automatically. So the data will be sent to this URL without us going and pasting this URL inside the Trigger software manually. So let me show you this. When you click on save and send test request, you can see webhook was set. That means you don't have to go and paste this webhook URL manually. It has already been set, which means now the information would directly come to this URL. So now what we are going to do is we are going to capture the webhook response. Okay, so here now it is waiting for webhook response. That means we have to go to Telegram and now we have to send a message. So I'll go to Telegram. Now before sending a message, it is very important to keep in mind that you have to create a group over here where you have to add your bot. So I'm going to create a new group from here. And here you want to search your new bot. So I'm going to search for it. Okay, so this was the new bot that I created. So I'll select it. Next. And now I have to create a group name. So I'm going to keep it as Telegram to Todoist. Okay, so I'll create the group. So now as soon as you click on this, we have created the group over here. After this, you also have to keep in mind that you have to make your bot as the admin of the group. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a message over here so that we can see how Pabbly Connect captures the information. So let me send a message. New task for today. Integration of Telegram Todoist. Okay, so I'm going to send the message. Okay, so we have sent a message. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured this data or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and yes, you can see we have got the message. The title was Telegram to Todoist and the text is over here. New task for today. So we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Telegram and Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to begin our second step. Okay, so here I am going to type Todoist. So now in choose method, I am going to select create a task. You can see there are many other methods available. You can select whichever you want. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So I'm going to select create a task over here. And now I'm going to connect with Todoist. Okay, so credentials, you don't have to worry. Now new credentials token. Now again, it needs a token in order to connect Todoist with Pabbly Connect. So here you can read, go to this link, you can find your API token. So I'm going to click on this link and here is the token, API token. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. So now we'll save it and then we'll build the connection between Todoist and Pabbly Connect. Okay. So here we have some fields and now we have to map the details that we have got from here. So this information we'll enter over here. So content is going to be the message that you have written. So our message was this, new task for today, integration of Telegram and Todoist. So I am going to select it. And here project ID is the ID that you have already created in Todoist. So I'll show you. So you can select in which project you want to save your task. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to select it as Telegram to Todoist, this one, because I have already created it over here and you can see there are no tasks over here. Human readable representation of due date is the date you want to keep it as deadline. So I want to keep the task due for tomorrow. Okay. So here you can see if you want, you can put it next Monday or any specific date as well. I have put as tomorrow. So priority means in which priority section do you want to fix your task? Should it be low, medium, high, very urgent? So you can select whichever you want. So I have selected it as low, and now I'm going to save and send test request. So you can see we have got the API response. That means we have integrated Todoist with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to save this. And now we'll go to Todoist and see if a task is created there or not. So you can see Telegram to Todoist, and you can see new task for today, integration of Telegram and Todoist, and the deadline is tomorrow. So now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So I'm going back to Telegram. Okay, so message is going to be second task for today, marketing activity. Okay, so I have sent a new message in Telegram. Let's go to Todoist and see if a new task is created or not. Okay, so you can see second task for today, marketing activity, and the deadline is tomorrow because we set it as tomorrow. So now what would have happened here? First, the information would have come from Telegram to Pabbly Connect, and then it came from Pabbly Connect to Todoist. So now every time there is a new message in Telegram, a task will be created in Todoist automatically.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.